Creation Studio Grab and Go. This is your opportunity to pick up a bag of supplies at the Bettendorf Public Library to make a craft. So this month, for the month of September, we are going to be making fingerprint art. If you haven't already picked up your bag of supplies, you can pick them up at the Bettendorf Public Library during open hours starting September 6th. And we will keep handing them out until we run out. Let's see what's inside my bag. First of all, I've handwritten instructions, and you're welcome to use those as well as this video to help you with this project. We also have one ink pad. It could be any color. All the colors that we have passed out should show up really well on the paper. So we have one sheet that is an example of doodling fingerprint art, and then a couple other templates that you can make art out of using just your fingerprints and the ink pad. We're going to start with the pictures here that we have that you can add your fingerprints to. We have a tree. In this case, you are going to take your ink pad and open it up. And any finger will do. I like to use my pointer finger. It's just easier to control. And you're going to place fingerprints wherever you think that leaves would be. If it's a fall tree, maybe there's less leaves. If it's a summer tree, maybe you're going to add a lot of leaves. And again, any color will work because even in our imagination, the tree could have so many different colored leaves. If you are making a fall tree, you might even want to add some leaves at the bottom near the base of the trunk, like they fell with the tree already. We also have a picture here of a boy and girl, and they're holding up strings. Can you guess what goes at the ends of those strings? Yep, balloons. So we're going to do the same kind of thing that we did with the tree. We're going to take our finger and press it into the ink pad and then place fingerprints wherever we think balloons might be. You might even overlap some. You can imagine that there's other balloons that might be behind some balloons, but you can make it look however you'd like. And the last one here is what appears to be dandelion stems. And we're going to put our fingerprints where we think that the seeds might be, like at the end of each of the lines at the top of the dandelion. So again, kind of like the leaves, you're going to place them where you think the leaves would be, in this case where the seeds might be, all the way around until you have a picture that you like. Last but not least, we have the doodling sheet, and this one is a lot of fun. So we have all kinds of doodles on the right-hand side, and on the left-hand side, it shows you how you can add your fingerprint to make those doodles complete. So you take, again, your ink pad and your finger, and you're going to press them onto the doodles. My favorite is, of course, the butterfly, because you can make its wings with your fingerprints, and the caterpillar as well. Also, keep in mind that you might want to use the tip of your finger or your whole finger, depending on which doodle that you're working on. Some of them require smaller spaces to be filled than others. And now that you've seen the different kinds of doodles that can be made using fingerprint art, maybe you can make up your own doodles and add your fingerprint to them. Or start with a fingerprint and then add on something else with like a marker or a pen to make it into a creature or an object or just something from your imagination. I hope you enjoy making your own fingerprint art. Next month, for the month of October, we are going to be making chalk pastel outline art. Until then, bye!